Hi learners, very good evening. Welcome to Unified Study. This is Thilasi doing Paper 1 Must Revision Topics from ICT Part 2. Very good evening everyone. Good evening Vaitishwari, Meena, Lakshmi, Kritika, Kumari, Minto, Nadia. Very good evening everyone. Yes, right. So yesterday we discussed ICT Part 1 with the terminologies that we have in computers, generation of computers. And then today we discussed about the basic terms of computers, right? And today we are going to see two things. One about the cyber attacks, and number two is the number conversion. So these are the two topics that we are going to see in today's must topics revision concept. Okay, come on, let's start doing the class. First we will start with the cyber attack. So learners also are new to our channel, please do subscribe and watch till the end about this ICT must topic revision. So very important, malware. So what do you mean by malware? Malware means it is called malicious software, that we call it as malware, malicious software. So what is the means of malicious software? What it does? So in computers there are some kind of malware attack can happen, which will be either destroys the data or hides the data, or they destroys the system in terms of data. So we have different types of malwares that we have. Starts from virus, worm, Trojan horse, spyware, adware, ransomware. We have a long list. We will go one by one with the examples, right? So virus means what? Virus means it attaches to a file or program and spreads when it's been executed. Like pen drive, right? It can have that virus file can be there. Whenever that pen drive or the CD is being loaded, that virus will get activated and they cause harm to the system. And next one we have worm. Worm means it is the keyword is self-replicating malware. Self-replicating means they will replicate on their own, they do not need anyone. So they spread across the networks without the user interaction. That is most important keyword. Without user interaction they can spread across the system, and that we call it as worm. Next we have Trojan horse. Just imagine whatever I am telling you, please learn us. So worm means what? This discusses itself as legitimate. So they themselves will say it's a legitimate software and they will be allowed to execute that malicious action. So see the difference between this worm and this Trojan horses. Here in Trojan horse they need a person to activate that particular malware attack. Okay, so that is what we call Trojan horse. They will be looking like a legitimate software and make the user to enter into it. So they disguises itself as a legitimate software but executes the, whenever it has been executed, malicious things will happen. Next one we have a spyware. That is very easy. Nowadays when you go for transaction based things like banks and all, no, there you'll be having a called a virtual keyboard. Why they have given this virtual keyboard is the keystrokes will be observed through intruders. So they will be logging our whatever keystrokes that we give, right? That will be done by means of spyware. They spies whatever actions that we do. They spy whatever actions we do. So they secretly monitors the user activity, not only in terms of keys but also with the respect to the history, the activities that we do every day, what site we visit, what we do, how long we stay in this particular site. So those things will be secretly monitored, user activity, and they collect sensitive information to that one. So the keyword here is spy, okay, spy. The next one we have adware. Ad means what? Advertisement. So delivering unwanted advertisements, and that may attract the user behavior for marketing purposes. I'll be in a website, there will be some advertisements will be popping. So through that sometimes I may click. So that is a kind of an adware, and that adware will makes to allows to steal our data. Okay. Next comes ransomware. My system will be attacked by an intruder. Okay, he will be there. And what he will do is the system will be locked and they encrypt the file, and they will not allow to open our file system itself, or they will not allow to open our own files itself. For that they will demand a money, they will be demanding some monetization to come out of that issue. Okay, so they will be demanding some kind of a money, and that we call it as a ransomware. Some cases the money will be, we give means they will release. Sometimes the data will also be released in case of ransomware. Right. Next one we go to keylogger. So this keylogger talks about the keystrokes. Spyware talks about, spy is also one, it comes under this one. But here keylogger specifically, it is what they do, they spy the keystrokes. That spyware is a general one. They spy the keystrokes, they spy our history, they spy whatever we search. So they spy. Okay, this is a type of that one that's called key logger, where they records the keystrokes to steal sensitive information like passwords. Am I clear? Yes, right. Next we go to botnet. Nowadays we have this botnet. So the network of infected devices controlled remotely to perform. Okay, these botnets will be handled remotely so that the malicious task can be happen inside system. Am I clear? Yes. So that we call it as a botnet. Next we have logic bomb. Logic screen is not clear. Sudha madam, please kindly increase the quality of your screen. In there we will be having an option for like gear symbol will be there. If you click that gear symbol means you will be asking for quality. In that quality you can increase. For that auto recommended 360 will be there. That sorry yes, if we go to that quality, no, there advanced option will be there. You can select 720 pixels. You can give 720 pixels, so it will be good. Right. Next one is only part of the screen is visible, man. No, it's fully visible, right? I have only 3 lines in this page. The rest are all in the before page. See here. Okay. Right. So next one we have logic bomb. So what does bomb does? Whenever we just chisk demol, it will blast. Right. Right. So logic bomb is nothing but a malicious code triggered. Here the keyword is triggered by a specific event or a condition, and that we call it as a logic bomb. So when the logic bomb will get activated, they will be triggered by means of a specific event or a condition. Then we call it as a logic bomb. And very ma'am, botnet once again, ma'am. Yes, right. See, botnet means what? Where can attack the device in a remote way. Okay, in a remote way, and that we call it as botnet. Botnet. Bots. Am I clear, Ricky? No. No, Ricky. See, logic bomb is a one where it has been through a trigger, it will happen. A specific conditions is met means then that particular code may start activated. Okay, here botnet means what? Remotely a device can be handled by a person. So they can handle like a spam and all happening, bro. The spam and all can be done by remote way. They don't need to come directly from one remote place. Also they can access my system over there, and that we called botnet. And logic bomb means what will happen is there there will be a set of code will be there. Whenever that code is being activated, then that particular action will perform, and that is called logic bomb. Okay. Sandhya ma'am, you can get the PDF. It will be loaded in the Unify Study app. From there you can get the access under the paid learners. Right. Next one we have a phishing, smishing, wishing, spoofing, whaling. Very important. We are getting question. Easily we can do it. Just listen carefully. First, what do you mean by phishing? Phishing means that is fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information via fake email or website. So whenever I get something through fake emails, a fraud has been happening means then we call it as phishing. What do you mean by smishing? Smishing means So SMS. Through SMS or text messages, that particular fraudulent act has been happening means then we call it as smishing. What do you call as wishing? Through voice call. Can you please tell me a OTP number that you have got? Can you please share your credit card number? Can you please tell the debit card number? Right, when we say, right, and that we call it as wishing. That we call it as Wishing. Then next we move to spoofing. Okay, spoofing means what? Where a message might have been come from a it looks like coming from a trusted source, and they what they will do is they will manipulate the victims. So impersonating a trusted source to deceive and manipulate the victims, and that we call it as spoofing. So phishing, smishing, wishing, easily we can remember. Phishing means is by PHISHNG. Phishing means fraudulent emails, through emails. And then next we have phishing, SMS. SM means SMS. So SMS means what? Through SMS I'll be a fraudulent attack can happen. That is called smishing. Phishing means what? Through the phone call, voice calls. Am I clear? Right. Now I move to that spoofing. Spoofing means what? SPOOFING. So an attacker, what he will do is he will be sending a mail to your message. Okay, to your mail, to your thing, you will be sending a message. Then you will just look at that message that looks like a authenticated message. Okay, so through that what they will do, they will steal the login credential. Yesterday, not last a few days before, right? There was a spam. A news was also been there, right? By means of a cyber attack has been done for a bank through I think some reputed bank. A person was being, he's an old age person, and he was being threatened to give some amount of 13 lakhs or 8 lakhs of rupees. So they have been through mails they have been attacked. Okay, to send money, or through phone calls also they have been attacked. So they will be sending a mail that they have to pay that money. Then what we will do, we will be just getting into that mail through a link. We will get into that one, and that is called email spoofing. Email spoofing. They will send an email, the attacker will send an email, and that will be looking like comes from an authenticated source. So we will say, yes, this has come from the authenticated source, let us come respond to it, that one. So when we respond to that, like sending our email ID, bank account number and all those details, means they will be misusing those things, and it's called spoofing. Am I clear? Yes? Card 16 சொல்லுங்க. Way to net, what you are writing? Card மேல இருக்கிற 16 number. Yeah. They used to call and ask, right? Please tell the 16 numbers which is there on the card. Yes, exactly right, way to net. You are right, exactly right. Yes. Yes. And Vijay Ganapati, your question is difference between virus and you are asked between virus and logic bomb. See, what happened is with virus where there will be a code, and that particular code will be attached to a file, and when that file is being opened, means what will happen, then the spread will happen. Okay, it will be spread. Simple pen drive, when this pen drive has virus, what will be happen if I fit into my system, that will be the virus will be spread to my system, and then it will be spreads wherever we use that pen drive. But logic bomb, what it does is, it will be the malicious code itself will be get triggered when a specific conditions has been met. What will be there in the malicious code? Whatever we want to attack or whatever we want to do, we want to crash, whatever, that malicious code will be get triggered. So that will be activated based on the predefined condition. So based on the predefined condition, the particular things will happen, and that is called logic bomb. When you call virus is when the infected file program is executed by the user. When the infected file program executed by the user. Executed by the user. Clear? Yes. Am I clear? Yes or no? No, logic bomb does not replicate. Logic bomb just does not replicate. Okay, worm will replicate, because worm is a self-replicating one. Worm replicates on its own. Clear? Yes. Exactly, Arun. Virus do not wait for any condition to matter. It will just spread across. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. So next we go to whaling. What do you mean by whaling? There was a big CEO in a company, right? That CEO will be attacked. That a big person will be attacked. So that is called a targeted phishing attack aimed at a high profile individuals like executive or decision makers. Those people will be attacked and they will be asked for demand. So that we call it as whaling. So phishing, smishing, wishing, spoofing and whaling. So phishing means fraudulent emails, smishing means through SMS phishing attempts will take, wishing means through phone calls, give me the 16 digit number which is there on the debit card, voice calls, get me the OTP, like that. Spoofing means what? They'll be sending like an authenticated source, but that message can be having harmful one. Whaling means attacking a top profile individuals like executives or decision makers to attack. And these are the important um, cyber attacks that very important, oftenly repeated: virus, worm, trojan horse, spyware, adware, ransomware, keylogger. Botnet means remotely accessed, logic bomb means whenever it is being triggered. And then next we have a phishing means through via emails, smishing means through SMS, wishing means through voice call, spoofing means that they test that tell themselves from a trusted source, they'll be assuming to send a mail, but when we open it or when we respond to them, that will be a cyber attack for us. Whaling means attacking a high profile individuals. Clear? Am I clear, learners? Yes, clear. Shall we go for questions from cyber attacks? Shall we go for questions, learners? Yes, right. Yes, come on, let's start moving to the questions. Please show ransomware page. Encrypts a file or lock system demanding a ransom. Ransom means nothing, money. They'll be asking a money, they'll be asking a fee to restore it. Right? For restoration, to get it back. Okay, come on, let's. Right. Now, come on, let's go for the question. This is option A, B, C, D. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Yes, very good. Come on, quick. Yeah, very good, Lakshmi Rana. Very good, very good. Very good. Very good. Everyone giving right answers. Everyone giving right answers. Very good, very good. The right answer for this question is option A is the right answer. So what is this? Is spyware. So spyware, what it does, it looks for the key loggers, right? Through key logs. So recording the key presses and sending them to the third party. So A with 3. So only two options with A with 3. And next one, phishing. Phishing means what? Fraudulent emails. So sending an email to lure the users to fake website to obtain their personal details. Then we have a ransomware. So ransomware means what? Fee is the keyword. So for C it is 4. C it is 4. And then what do you mean by palming? Palming means downloading of malicious code and redirect to fake website. 1 minute. Yes. Here you can just have the keyword differences. See here, this is also looking for the fake website. Here also looking for the fake website. What is the difference? You can write it down in your notebook. In terms of palming, where that when we download some malicious code, right, it redirects to users to fake websites. Redirect to fake websites. That is the keyword that you have to remember. Palming. Okay. So sending an email to lure the users to fake websites to obtain their personal details. Here, downloading of some malicious code will make them to think like that. Okay. Clear? Yes. Next question on to this one. Do this one quick. Easy question. Yes. Here the right answer for this question is spyware is the right answer. Keylogger is an example of spyware. Do this one. Very good. Time bomb logic bomb. Yes. So here what is the thing? They receives an email claiming that her credit card account is about to be suspended unless she mails her credit card details and personal identification number immediately. So if anyone gets a message like this, means then what is that one? That is called yes, phishing. That is called phishing. Okay, next one. The right answer for this question is phishing. Next one. Very good. Easy one. Do it. A process which a legitimate website is known as illegitimate website pretends to a dash. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, very good. Very good. Easy question. Yes. Okay, very good. The right answer for this question is spoofing is the right answer. Spoofing is they look like a legitimate website, but it is known as an illegitimate website and pretends to be legitimate, right? And these are the questions that we can expect from this type of questions. Now we will move to very important one, and that is called number conversions. So please be ready. We'll do the number conversions. Okay. So what are all the types of number conversion? We have a decimal. Come on, quickly do it, learners. We have decimal, we have octal, we have hexadecimal, and then we have a binary number format. So this decimal number is from 0 to 9, we call decimal. Octal is 0 to 7, we call octal. Hexa 0 to 9 numbers, and then A to F for 10 to 15 we call hexa. And then binary we have a 0, 1. So these are the binary numbers, and this we call to the base or to the base we have this 10. This is a base 10. Decimal number is base 10. And base 8 is called octal number. Base 16 we call it as a hexadecimal number. And then base 2 we call it as a binary number. So whenever we say a number is a decimal number, means where we'll be having the number combinations between 0 to 9, and that we call decimal number. Octal number means where the numbers will be between the range 0 to 7. Whenever we say hexadecimal, the number range will be 0 to 9, and we will be having A to F. So whenever we have this thing, right, we will say this is a hexadecimal number. Like this it will be. This will be like this, and the decimal number will be like this. And binary number, how can we represent? We can represent the base 2. And this understands that in decimal we have a, I'm sorry, this is 10. This is, we have a 10 numbers. In octal we have 8 numbers. Hexa we have 16 numbers. Binary we have 2 numbers. Okay, so these are all the very basic things that we have to remember in case of number system first. Next we move to how to identify a number. Say example, if I give, that is 24, I give a number 24. So this 24 to the base 10, this is nothing but a decimal number. So how to convert this decimal number to octal, hexa and binary, we are going to see. So here we have a number called 24. I am going to convert this decimal number to binary number. How to do it? Just I'll take a new page. So I am going to convert a decimal number to what numbers? To binary first, and then we are going to convert to octal, and then I am going to convert to hexa. Rashid, I am talking louder, right? I am talking louder, right? Am I audible? No, audible, right? But it is low? Here all the volumes are full. All the volumes are full. Here all the volumes are full, learners. I think maybe I am talking slow, I don't know. Okay, I will talk louder. Okay, I'll talk louder. Now it is audible. Okay. I'll talk louder. I think now I somewhere reduced my voice. Okay. So here we have to convert this 24 to binary. How to convert? Simple, very easy. We have to divide it by 2. So when I divide by 2, I'll be getting 12, and this is we have balance 0. And then this is 12, and now it is 6, it is balance 0. And then we have a 2 balance 3, 3 times it goes 0. And then it is 2 and it is 1, 1. Am I right? So what is the answer? Decimal to binary, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 to the base 2. Okay, right, clear. So this is how we convert a binary number to decimal. Say example, if I have a 24.25, how I convert this number to a binary number? See, 24 we have found. How to find out for 25.25? I have to multiply it by 2. Here I have divided by 2, here I am multiplying by 2. So what will comes here? 0.50. Again I have to multiply this 0.50 into 2. Then I will be getting 1.00. So when I have to write from the top to bottom, that is 0.01. So 24.25 is equal to 11123 zeros 0.01 to the base 2. This is the right answer for the decimal to binary conversion. Especially this point. So we have to multiply it by 2. Here we have divided by 2, and the decimal part we have to multiply by 2, and we have to repeat until we get 2 zeros on the side. And whenever I write this one, say example, I give another one, try to do this one. Say example, if I give 24.125, here already we have for 24, this is 11000. What is this 125? 0.125, how to convert? 0.125? 0.125 into 2. What will come? 0.250. So I will write only this 0.250 into 2. That is 0.500. And then we can multiply 500 into 2. That is equal to 1.000. Yes. So here what we have to do, we have to write from top to bottom, that is 0.001. So when we convert decimal to binary, we have to divide by 2 and then we have to multiply by 2. Clear, learners? Yes, clear. Very good. Yes, multiply by 2. This is how we convert a decimal number to binary number. Now I have the same number. So decimal to hexa. Decimal to hexa, the same number 24. So what we have to do? We have, very good. So what we have to do? Decimal to binary when we convert. So decimal to hexadecimal. So here we have to divide it by 16. That's all. So when I divide by this number to exa, we have to divide it by 16. So how many times it goes? 1 times. What is the balance? Here 4, here 4, 8. Okay. So 24 to the base 10, that is equal to 18 to the base 16. After reading, you got paper 1, 24. Then I think you would have done overthinking in the examination. Okay. What to say Vedic Puran for you? See, what first time exam it might have been easy. Ma'am, very afraid now for this time now. Ma. See, when you have a fear, right, nothing is going to give us. It is going to pull down our energy. This fear will not going to give you anything. Yes, Priya Balraman, yes, we can do. Next, we are going to do that only. 24.25. Now, what we have to do is we have to convert this 0.25. We have to multiply it by 16. That's all. So, when you have a fear, no, fear is not going to give us anything. Fear is obviously going to pull you down. Whatever energy you have, that will go down. That was what will happen when we have a fear. Okay. Sometimes we would have got better easy questions which you have known areas. In the second time, you would have got questions that you have not revised. New topics would have got questions. Maybe the possibility. So many parameters are there for that increase to decrease, decrease to increase. Vedic sir, if you are very good in paper 2, exemplary, you are very, very good. Do it. Because now this time we have a paper 1 and the paper 2 aggregate, we are getting marks together. So if you score here full out of full, no problem. Earlier there have a constraint that here we have to get 40 marks, here we have to get 40 marks. Sorry, 40 questions, right, that the target was there. But now as you don't have now, right, if you are very good in paper 2, do focus on paper 2. Anywhere we have to be good, na? Anywhere we have to be good. See, be very clear. Now we have only, wait, I'll take a new page. Now we have only 10 days left. Right? In this 10 days left, when we think of all these things, then first question is how long do you prepare? How long you prepare, whether you have covered all the topics, how many times you have practiced, how many times you have revised, have you covered the latest topic? All these questions are answerable. Make sure that you have covered all the units. Whatever time you have taken to revise, not a problem. But whether you have revised all the topics or not, yes. Working professional, what to do? No other go. We have to prepare. This exam has 10 plus 10 units. Okay. 10 plus 10 units. Nowadays the competition will be huge because of the competitors who are there in the examination. We cannot do anything. It is obvious. We have to accept. We have to accept. We cannot say no like that. Nothing. Okay. Here whoever is coming into this competition circle, right? There are many students who are freshers, right? So they will be very good in their concepts so that easily they can get the concepts clear. So that's the first chance of doing. So when we are a working professional, we have to create a time for this and we have to study. What is this? Ma'am is telling like this. This is a fact. I cannot lie, right? I cannot cheat you. I cannot fool you. This is the realistic fact. This is the realistic fact that we have to accept the competition is high. We have to learn the concept. Without learning in all these 3 months, when we sit in this 2 months and when we say, I am not able to do, means that is not right. Okay. As many learners are also telling, I have not studied anything. I have got what is like 26 questions right. But now after preparing, I am getting only 20 questions right. Means in that one you might have got marks in Inky Pinky Ponky. Clear? without any. Another one more important thing is, when you have got 26 marks here, 26 questions right, means I think the pressure on your head would have been low, right? After studying, the pressure would have been increased in your mind. Okay, whenever this pressure is being high, whenever you have a stress, whenever you have some kind of a fear in your mind, obviously that fear factor only would have been reduced this mark. So that we have to segregate. Am I visible? Am I visible on us? Am I visible? Yeah, okay. Here for me it is hanging, that's why. Okay, this time again crash course for paper 1, ma'am. Cutoff is increasing now. I think even we get 2200 in paper 2, sometimes it will not meet the cutoff. Yes, Rashi, that's what the thing. See, try to understand the real fact. I'm again telling, I cannot fool you, I cannot cheat you. Here in YouTube, that too in last 10 days, I am trying to give you the most important concepts. That too for revision. Definitely, with a new learner who has been preparing only for 10 days, they can crack the exam. Means that is, we are not robot to remember everything in these 10 days. It should be a long term process. You should have been at least minimum, you should have prepared for 3 months of time. Am I right? You should have been at least been done for 2 months of time. Crash course for paper 1. What is I am doing now? I don't understand then. What is I am doing now? I am doing revision only, right? What are all the topics? The most, if you go and take the question paper of the previous year, we can get the same. These topics are repeated. For that topics only, we are doing our revision. Revision is what already we would have read. Now we are doing our revision by doing the practice. Go to website. There we have been launched some free DIs are there that you can practice. Am I right? Ma'am, paid course for Unify Study website. Yes, we have the paid course for paper 1, and that too now we have a for the 15 days only we have. So learners, those who want to extend their extend their subscription, they can get it for 15 days also. I'll just get into it. Wait. So see, this is not a game like in 10 days we can able to crack the exam and all. I'm sorry, I don't want to fool you again and again I'm mentioning you. I cannot fool you, right? Then what is the meaning of preparing consistently for over a period of time and preparing only in 10 days? You are also not a robot, I am also not a robot. We both are human beings. You tell me whether it's right or wrong. Right, see, for learners who want to just get a subscription, you can visit unifystudy.com website, and here we have a free courses. Under free courses, I have uploaded lots and lots of videos or contents are there. It's loading it. Here in the free practice course, whatever there are few YouTube contents I have uploaded here, and apart from that, in the paid course, the YouTube classes which I am taking now, right, that has been uploaded here. And now this paper 1 complete course, 1 minute, it is loading. Yes. 6 months total, 20 subjects, it's over, right? So you can visit here. Here we have given options for 1 month and 15 days. So those who want to do their practice, PYQs practice at DI, they can get into the website and here we can get the options. Okay. So by now when you give means where we have two options. It is loading here. 1 minute. It is loading. So we have two options. 1 month 799 and 15 days for 399. For 399 you get all the previous year content, previous year's PDFs. The concept PDFs, PYQs which we have discussed in our class, that PDF you can access. Very important, as you are asking for that DA and MR, that we are also doing there. Yes, exactly, Rashid. You are absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yes, come on, let's get into the topic. We will do the revision. Yes. So I don't want to, again I'm saying you, I don't want to cheat you that this 10 days is meant for aggressive revision that we have to do it. Okay, right. So let's come on, start doing it. Yeah, right. Okay. So how to do the 24.25? We have to multiply it by 16. Here we divided by 16 and the decimal part we will be multiplying it by 16. See, don't worry. Don't invest your energy on thinking of unnecessary stuff. Invest your memory on energy on reading the concept, revising the concept, practicing the PYQs question. If you go over on thinking and fearing and all means, these times will be left. So please try to understand. Come on, let's start doing. Yeah. Yes, I'm doing, Lekha. Yeah, I'm doing, right? So this goes for 0, 3, 150 and this goes for 5 and this goes for 25. So 0, 10 carry 1, 400. So this is nothing but 400 where we have a 0.25. That's a 2 point we have pointed. Okay. So 24.25 is equal to 18.4. Is equal to, yes, 18.4. Similarly, you can also do it for this one, 24.125. As we have already done 24, now you do it. This is 24.125 to the base 10. You have to convert it to base 16. How to convert? Very easy. 24 we have done, that is 18. What about 0.125? We have to multiply 0.125 into 16. 0.125 into 16. Yes, very good. Do it. So 0.125 into 16 means how much will come? 0 carry 3, 12, 15 carry 1, 750, 125, 0, 10, 0 carry 1. So 9, 0 carry 1, 2000. So this is nothing but what called 2000. So we have to 1, 2, 3 zeros. Am I right? So this is nothing but 18.2 to the base 16. Yes, Mohammad Rashid, absolutely right. Am I clear? So this is how we convert a decimal number to a hexadecimal number. Yes, very good. Yes. So similarly, come on, let's start doing for a decimal to octal number. So how to do the decimal to octal? Decimal to octal. How to convert? Same number 24. First you take 24, okay? 24 convert quick. You have to divide it by 8. Divided by 8. So decimal number, it is divided by 8 means what will come? 3 and it is 0. So we have a 24 to the base 10 is equivalent to 30 to the base 8. Yes, very good, Sudha. Very good. Now you do this one. 24.25 to the base 10 convert into the form of 8 to the base 8. 24 we know. What about 0.25? 25 into 8. So this is 0, carry 4, 16, 20. Yes, right? So what is the answer? 24.25 is equivalent to 30.2 to the base 8. Very good, Sandhya. Very good. Yes, exactly right. This is the second one. And what is the third problem? We have to convert 24.125. Yes, 24.125. As we all know for 24, now we are going to do it for 0.125 into 8. Yes, very good. Do it. So 0 carry 4, 16, 0 carry 2, 10. So now we have 3 zeros which we can eliminate, that is 30.1 to the base 8. Very good, Sudha, very good. Yes, yes, very good. Am I clear? Okay, good. Now we move to binary. So that is very easy. Binary to decimal is very easy. See example, binary number we have 1001. Okay, this is a binary number. So before getting into this binary number, I have to tell you this basic concepts, right? So please remember, understand. We have a bit like this. 1. So 1 is the decimal binary number. What is the exact decimal number? That is also 1. If I have the binary number as 101, then the decimal value is 2. 1 1, this is 3. Okay, and then we have 100, the value is 4, and then 101, the value is 5. I will tell you how. 110, this is 6, and then we have 111, that is 7. How, ma'am? I will tell you now. See, take this 10. So 10 means 0 1. So 0 into 2 to the power of 0, 1 into 2 to the power of 1. So this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 2. Yes, so when I add, I will be getting 2. 2 is right. Next we go for 1 1. So when I divide it by 2, what I will be, sorry, not divided by 2, sorry. When we have 11, what I have to do? I have to take this first LLSB 1 into 2 to the power of 0 and then 1 into 2 to the power of 1. What do you mean by 2 to the power of 0? That is 1. 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 into 2 to the power of 1, that is 2. So that is equal to, when I add, I will get 3. I have got it. So similarly, we have to do it. This is a one way of solving these things. Another way is what? You can write numbers like this. Easy way. Remember. Yes, 4 to 1 method. Exactly, I am going to tell you this thing. So you can write like this. I go to a new page. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay. If I give a number like this. First number 101. What is the decimal number? What is the decimal number? Just put it over like this. This is 101. You should not calculate the value where it has 0. So 4 plus 1, 5 to the base 10. Now I give another number 11001. What is the decimal number? Come on, quickly tell me. Come on, quickly tell me. What is the decimal number? Then the third problem. Tell me for this one. 111001 to the base 2. What is the decimal number? And the fourth number. We have 110010 to the base 2. What is the decimal number? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. In zeros place, you don't need to do it. In the other places, you have to add. That's all. Yes, exactly right. So here what we'll get? We'll get 1 here. This number 2 and 4 will not come. Here it is 8. Here it is 16. So for this, it is nothing but 25. Am I right? For this, nothing but 25. How we have got 25? Just write this. 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. As 0 is there, we no need to calculate this. So we can just going to add. Here again 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. No need to calculate this. We can eliminate this. So when we add, what will come? Here it is 25 plus 32, 57. So 57 to the base 10. Right? Again here what we can do? This is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So just cancel it out all these things. Then we'll get what? 32 plus 16, it is 48. 48, 50, 51. 51, oh sorry, 0. This also will not come. Okay, 50. So 50 to the base 10. Am I clear, learners? Very easy method, right? To remember. Easy method, right? So this is how we convert a binary number to a decimal number. And here I will tell you one important clue also there. What is that clue is? See the last bit. last bit. If that bit is 1 means the number will be a odd number. If the last bit, that is the LSB, the least significant bit is 1 means then the number is said to be a odd number. Okay, if that number is said to be 0 means then that number is a even number. Am I right? See here, all these are ones, then we get 25. That is here 5, 25. Here it is 57. See here, the last bit is 0. Then the number is an even number. Am I clear, learners? Yes. So you can write it down. This one time is being asked in the statement based question. This was been one time asked in the statement based question. Clear? So this is how we convert a binary number to a decimal number. Shall we go to the next one? Binary to hexa. Very, very easy, binary to hexa. Yes. Binary to hexa and binary to hexa. This is very, very easy. How to do it? Binary to hexa and binary to octal. Okay. So here I have given a number 110010. This is the number, right? 110010. This is the number given as a binary number. So what we have to do is, when I want to convert into hexadecimal means we are going to pair it as 4 bits. We are going to pair it as 4 bits. So how it can be paired? We are going to pair as 4 bits. So we can pair it like this: 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So what is the value of this? What is the value of this? Simple. Exactly right. What is the value of 10? Right. 1, 2, 4, 8. What is the value? This is 2. And what is the value of this? This is 1 and this is 2. So then this is 32. So the hexadecimal value is 32 to the base 16. Exactly right. Clear? Yes? Right. Now I'll give you another number. Try to sell the answer for this number. I'll give number. Wait, I'll give you. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Sorry. 0. Tell me the value of this number. Yes, Rashid. Tell me the value of this number. Big number I have given. 10 111 011 01010. Tell me the hexadecimal value of this number. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Satya ma'am. Yes. So simple, what we have to do, pair it as 4. Okay. How to pair it? I will take another ink color. 2 minutes. We are going to pair, right? As 4 numbers. Yes. 4 digit will come. 4 numbers are there. 4. See, check the number. Check the number. So what is the value of 1010? Again we put like 1, 2, 4, 8. So we can take it as 8. 8 plus 2, it is 10. Okay. Similarly, this is 4, this is 2. So I will take it as 6. And here it is 1, 1, 2, 4. So this comes as 7. Am I right? Yes. What you are doing? Here it is 1. Yeah. Right? So 176A is the right answer. I have purposefully given you a big number. Purposefully I gave you a big number. Exams we can get, na? Right? So right, this is how we convert a binary number to a hexadecimal number. Clear? Yes. Yes? Okay. I add one more thing to this problem. If I have another number like this, like, how we will do it? what is the wait, we'll do this one. Explain again. Okay, I'll explain again. First I'll explain this. So see here, what we have to do is the binary number will be there. Write down the binary number and split that binary number into 4 bits. From where we have to make that bit is from the LSB we have to start. From here we have to start. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Okay. So we have to do like this. And then we have to find out the corresponding decimal value of this number. As we all know, right? 8421, that method you can apply. Then in zeros place, no need to do it. Here in 8's place we have 1 and 2 place we have 1. So 8 plus 2, 10. Right. Next one we have a 1, 2, 4, 8. Here 1 and 8 we don't need to calculate. 4 2s, that is 6. And the next here, that is 1, 2, 4, 0. Then we can do 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. Here this one. Am I clear? Yes. So this is how we convert a binary number to a hexadecimal number. Now we go to binary number to an octal number. How to do it? Here we are going to group it as 3 bits. Yes. Very good. Very good. Go group it as 3 bits. So 0, 1, 0 and then 1, 1, 0. So what is the value here? Here it is 2 and here it is 6. So 62 to the base 8. Very good. Yes. 62 to the base 8. Exactly right. Sushma, what you are doing? Sushma, what you are doing? 1 to the 16. Okay, I'll do point also, don't worry. So if I add point here means what I have to do means I have to pair it from this end. I am going to pair. Say example, if I have a 0, 0, 1, 1. So from this end I am going to pair. So I will be having 4 bits here. So what is the value of this? This is 3. So the point 3 will come. Right? Am I clear? See here, I have done. Clear? Clear? Shall we have one more thing? Shall we have one more thing? Yes? Yes, I'll give you another one for this one. If I have a 0, 0, 1, okay. If here I have another number, I'll use another ink. Do this one. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 0.01. What is the hexadecimal of this number? That's what I am given. Do it. That adding 0 is the matter here. So here what we have to do is, here we have to split from this way to this way. Here we have to start from point to this way. So here what we have to do, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. And then 0, 1, 0, 1 and then 1. So here this is 1, 2, 4, 8. So 12, 13. So 13. So here again 8 plus 2, 10. And here it is 1. So 1, B, B, C, D, right? D. So 1 AD is the for this side. For this side what we have to do? 0.01. I have to add zeros here. On the either side you have to add zeros. So what will be this one? That is 4. That is 4. So the value is 1 AD 0.4. 0.4. Vijay, it is 0.4. Clear? Yes, clear learners. So this is how we convert a binary to hexadecimal. Octal, as I have told you, the same. Very easy to remember. Here we are going to group it as 3. Now the same problem, come on, let's start doing in hexadecimal. 1101.01. Now do it in octal number. Convert this to octal. Convert this to octal quick. Convert this to octal. Yes. So how can we do? We are going to group it as 3. So 101, 101, 101, 101, then 110. So this is 6 and this is 5. This is also 5. And then for 0.1 we have to write. So for that what we have to do? 0.010. So 0.010 means this is nothing but 2. This is nothing but 2. This is 6. This is 5. This is 5 and this is 2. Am I right? So 655 to the base 2. So to 655.2 to the base 8. Clear, Amma? Got the answer? Yes? Clear? Definitely we can expect questions from this part. Definitely we can expect. Okay, now one question I'll give you. Try to do this one. Question number 1. Find the binary equivalent of 1010110. This is the binary. Find the decimal equivalent. Tell me the decimal. Tell me the hexa. Tell me the octal. Quick answers for me. Which one fashioned yours? This is 2 only, no? We have 0, 1. We'll be adding only 1 0 at the end because 3 bits only we are going to do. So 0.2 only. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. It is 2 only. Fashion deals, it's 2 only. Then hexadecimal we have to group 4 bits. Remember, hexa we will be doing with 4 bits. In octal we will be doing with 3 bits. You understand? Here 4 bits, here 3 bits. Okay, do this one. 10110 in decimal, hexa, octal. Quick answers. You can use this one. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Yes, very good. When you convert to decimal, easily we can do it. So we can cancel it out. This we can cancel it out. And this we can cancel it out. So this is 22. And when we go for hexa, very easy we can. That is when you divide it like this, right? When I divide like this, I will be getting 6, 1, 6 to the base 16. This is 22 to the base 10. And in octal, we can divide it as 3, 3, 3. So here it is 6, here it is 2. So 26 to the base 8. Very good. Octal is 22, 26, 16. Exactly right. Very good. Yes, very good. Yes. Yes, very good. Right? Shall I go for another problem? Okay, I'll go for another problem. This problem, definitely we can expect last question. Please try to do this one. I'll give you the problem. Yes, very good. Hope you like the session. Yes. So here I have given a question. Write down. Um, 1 minute. Okay, do this problem, learners. Here, this type of question we can expect in the examinations. So here we have given an ascending order. We have to arrange it in the ascending order. Convert into all in the decimal format. Already we have this as a decimal format. No need to do it. Just write 1 to 8 directly. Then here convert this binary number to a decimal number. Octal number to decimal number. Hexadecimal to binary number. Okay? Yes. You can ask me, ma'am, how to convert an octal number to hexadecimal. I will tell you. Just write it down. How to convert a octal number to decimal number. Very, very easy. I have an octal number 24 to the base 8. How to convert to decimal? Like that, 4 into 8 to the power of 0, 2 into 8 to the power of 0. Right? Then we'll get the decimal. How? I will tell you. Ma'am, can we see addition and sub multiplication binary also? Yes, but we can do. That kind of difficulty NT has not yet brought. Addition it has brought, but multiplication it has not yet brought. If you want, they will bring it soon also. Okay, so this is how we convert a octal number to decimal number. Similarly, octal number to octal number to hexa. When you convert in a hexa to decimal number, how to do it? We have to multiply it by 16 to the base. That's all. So 24 to the base 16 means what we have to do? 4 into 16 to the power of 0 and 2 into 16 to the power of 1. That's all. Clear? Yes. Here it is 1. So here it comes 4. Here it comes 16. So the decimal value is 20. You can also cross check. See, I am cross checking you. How to convert decimal to octal? Divided by 8. Na? So when I divide, I get 2. Carry 4. Have I got 24? Simple. The way of rechecking it. Yes. And here how to do? For 16 to the power of 0, this is, well, it comes 1. So 4. And this is 32. So 36. Yes. Okay. So now you do this problem. Let's do this one, ma. Quick. I have given you a binary number. Convert this to a decimal. And then a octal, decimal. Decimal to decimal. Then hexa to decimal. Yes, quick answers I want. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, very good. Very good. Good. Yes, come on, let's start doing this problem. So what is the First one, that is the binary. Here we have to convert to decimal. So 1 0 0 1 1 0. So 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. We can eliminate this and this. So we have 32 plus 4 36 plus 2 38. So here it is 38. 38. Next is 4 to the base 8. We have to convert it to a decimal number. How to convert? Very easy. So 4 into 8 to the power of 0, 4 into 8 to the power of 1, and then 4 into 8 to the power of 2. So this is 4 and this is 32 and this is 64 into 4, 256. Right? This is 256. So 12 carry 1, 292. So this is 292. And then next we have a 3F. So how to do 3F? 3F. F is nothing but 15. So 15 into 16 to the power of 0 and then 3 into 16 to the power of 1. So this is 15 and 16 into 3, this is 48. So when I add 13 carry 1, 63. So this is 63. Am I right? So we have to now arrange it in the ascending order. That is the smallest to biggest. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Which is smallest? Smallest one is A. So A is smallest and then next D is smallest. Only one option. So that is option 4 is the right answer for this question. Am I clear, learners? Am I clear? So for this, option 4 is the right answer for this question. Thank you so much. Please do this as your homework. This is your homework problem I have given you. Please kindly try to solve the same pattern of question with the different numbers. Convert to one format and then arrange it in the what order? Ascending order. Clear, learners? I hope you would have enjoyed the session today. In our previous year question practice, we are going to do all these kinds of numerical problems along with other memory based numerical concepts also. The learners, those who wish to join the class, you can visit uni5study.com. Last 15 days, those who are vigorous in your studies, please do utilize this opportunity. uni5study.com, there you can get this 15 days for 399. You can access the earlier PDFs. You can attempt the test. That is most important. You can attempt the test. That is, we have prepared unit wise, topic wise, we have prepared full length, we have prepared, and topic wise full length is also there that you can utilize. And then we can also watch the live sessions by practicing this previous year question. Okay, right? So you can watch uni5study.com and you can also purchase this 15 days for 399. Clear, learners? Or also you can contact 9942659836. And every day in our Unify Study Telegram channel, we are posting mathematical reasoning for practice. Every day we are doing it. You can also visit the Telegram channel of Unify Study. Telegram channel for Unify Study. And in our Unify Study app, we are doing a DI and RC every day. And today is the 6th day. Right, from Monday we started. So day 1 to day 6 we have completed 6 DIs and 6 RCs. So this will be going on till the examination comes. So that consistent practice of doing DI definitely will be helpful. That process will be helpful to us. Right. Thank you so much, learners. Give the answers in the comment section and do like the session and share with your friends as a term of helping others also. So meet you tomorrow with another session, with another topic. Clear? Yes. Tomorrow I think logical reasoning we are going to do. Okay? Yes. And tomorrow tomorrow not 4:30 timing. Tomorrow we are going to meet at 11 o'clock. Tomorrow we are going to meet at 11 o'clock in the morning. Don't forget. These 3 days I had some other work. So I rescheduled to 4:30. So from tomorrow onwards it's going to be 11 a.m. session. Right? 11 a.m. morning 11 o'clock in the morning. Okay? So hope you would have enjoyed the session. Thank you so much, learners. We all meet you in the next session. Tata, bye. See you.